quick video just showing you how to change shift knob on a 1G. So we're gonna open the box and MAPerformance, a little package, and I'll show you guys how it gets done. So just give me 1 second. I open this and do the video. It's very simple. Here it is. It's the Delrin Tapered shift knob. It's made for DSMs and Evo 1 through 9 and Evo X. So this should technically just come off. Seems like this thing is much tighter than I would have anticipated. There you go. It's coming off. Probably never been taken off once in its life. It's coming. There you go. I do not particularly like the shift knob very much, so don't know if you guys can see, but it's coming off. It's kind of a sunny day, so I thought, well, got the part today, make the video, show you guys real quick. So that's it. This is the new one. This is how they compare. I don't particularly like the grip on the stock one, and the throws are very long. The shifter. Let's see how this new one feels. Does it feel any better? I am not sure. But it's a quick little video for you guys. I've been dying to get this shift knob on here. So, I don't know how much this stupid thing goes, but seems like it went on for a while. Let me see. If you guys have used this knob, let me know what you guys think about it, but that's basically it. Look. Looks good. I think that's as much as it goes. Yeah, this shifter just sucks. I have another video for you guys right now, but that's it. It's installed. It's about as tight as it goes. Sweet. That's it. It's the video. Stock next to it, you guys can see it. It's not very nice. It's pretty weird made, like I guess it's for gripping, but the throw is super long and you kind of hold it like this. This one's just there you go. Better. So sweet. That's the video. If you guys enjoy it, if you guys are looking to see how this shift knob looks on a 1G DSM, here you go. And if you want to know how to take it off, it's also there. See you guys in the next one.